Hello, everyone, welcome to the Totoro Observatory. This program is about a typhoon near Hong Kong. Let's talk about the weather forecast for Hong Kong in the afternoon, and tonight it will be mostly cloudy and dry, with sunny spells in the afternoon. Winds are clearing from the north, strong offshore and occasionally gale in the highlands. Winds are getting stronger tonight. There are swells in the sea. Outlook: in the next 2 or 3 days, the wind will be quite strong and there will be waves and showers in the sea. The weather is cooler from late Tuesday to Wednesday, with the temperature dropping to around 19 degrees. The northeast monsoon will continue to affect southern China this week. Tropical cyclone Nigg is expected to traverse the northern part of the South China Sea and approach the coast of Guangdong in the next 2 to 3 days. Under the combined influence of the Nigg and the northeast monsoon, the area will be quite windy in the next 2 to 3 days, with sea swells and occasional squally showers. Meanwhile, Tropical Cyclone Banyan, located in the western North Pacific, will move towards the waters east of the Philippines in the next 2 or 3 days. Next, let's take a look at the satellite cloud images and the rain ratio.